Asisigaxa sendaba. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So Big Zulu was involved in a car accident on Sunday, the 26th January. So his record label announced on their Facebook accounts that Big Zulu was involved in a fatal accident, and they asked prayers from the fans. They asked prayers from Big Zulu's fans, and we wish him a speedy recovery, and our thoughts and prayers are with him. Kodwa asikho nje lapho. Moving on to my next story. Gogo Maweni is out of jail. She received bail 5,000 rand, and she's currently out of jail for now. We'll just have to wait and see ukuthi kuyozala nkomoni from this case. If you really enjoy my content, please like, follow, and subscribe. Kulungile ke. Bye.